What's up, guys? We're back. Another YouTube video for you guys. I got this 6.7 in today. I'm going to show you guys how to change the fuel filters on it. Applies to all years of 2011 to 2016 Ford F-250, 350, 450, and 550 year trucks. So I'll be showing you guys how to replace the fuel filters and where they're at on these trucks. Alright guys, the secondary fuel filter is located right here. You're going to need some kind of pick with a really sharp end so you can pull up on these tabs, and a rag so you don't drop any fuel down. Just right there, just like that. So there's these tabs on the bottom. You're going to want to squeeze them and pull up. Then you can pull out just like that. Let it drain. And then you got this yellow tab right here. You're going to pull up on that tab and you're going to press down on this tab. Just like that. And then on this one, you're gonna have to squeeze the tabs with your fingers. Sometimes they get stuck. It's kind of a pain. Okay. So guys, certain year 6.7s have a bolt right here on the side next to the sensor that pretty much holds the fuel filter in place so it doesn't move. If you have that style bolt, you're gonna have to loosen that bolt out. You don't take it out, and you're gonna turn this counterclockwise to take the fuel filter out. Just like that. There, press down, and you're gonna turn it till it locks. You'll hear it lock, and then you're just gonna reverse all the lines that you took off. Okay. Okay guys, so we replaced the secondary fuel filter. Now it's time to replace the primary side. The primary is underneath the driver's side, right underneath the door. That's the primary fuel filter. Alright guys, so first thing we got to do to remove the fuel filter, we need to drain the fuel. I'll let that drain for a minute. Make sure you guys have some sort of pan or bucket to get all the excess fuel so it doesn't leak on the ground. In the meantime, you guys can remove the water sensor, which is right here. You're going to press down on these tabs. Come right out. Just going to put it to the side right here so it's out of the way. Alright guys, so after about 2 minutes, you're going to close this little valve out. You're not going to be able to take all the fuel out. You just don't want it to leak out the sides. That's the main concern. You're going to need a 32mm socket and a ratchet to take it off. loose. You can rotate it with your hand. You might have some leak a little bit, but won't be that much. O-ring lubricated with some diesel fuel. Push up, go into the slot. Grab the old fuel filter in the housing at the same time. Pull up. Take the old filter out. Little tabs right here. That goes inside there. Just snap in. Gonna turn clockwise to tighten it. Tighten it until you feel it just suddenly stop. That's indication that you should not tighten anymore. Just like that. Alright guys, you're gonna grab your water and fuel sensor harness, plug that back in, make sure this tab is locked in, clean up your housing. Now we're gonna prime the fuel bowl. Okay guys, so in order to bleed the system, it's the same as the 6.0, 6.4s. You're gonna put the key in the on position. You're gonna wait 30 seconds and then turn the key off. That counts as one cycle. You're gonna do that 6 times. And then on the 7th time, you're gonna turn it on. You're gonna let it idle for about 5 minutes. Let any small little air bubbles bleed out before you take it on a drive. All right guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video. Make sure you guys check for leaks on the truck before you take it on a drive. I've been making some new merch, hats, sweaters, and t-shirts for anybody that wants to support the YouTube channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.